You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to look at the Bitcoin price and also the Ethereum price. Right here, we see Ethereum exploring to the upside. So what should you expect from this very move? And also on the Bitcoin price, are we going to break this level or are we going to see the market come right down from this area where the market is right now? And also I'm going to take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. We see the market going right down here in form of a retracement of this impulsive move. So all of those in today's video. So if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other educational and informative content. So let's dive right in here on the Bitcoin price. If you look at this area, in my previous video, I talked about market coming right down in the retracement form from this area right to this point as a first support we will see before the second support at this area. So exact same thing happened right here before the market tends to come right up in this very area. So what I am looking out for right now is not to take a position yet on Bitcoin, because this is a resistance level at this area. So we see resistance here, so we could see possible resistance on this trend line, which is a resistance line at this area. So a possible breakout would be a good idea before we think of taking a trade. Not only a breakout on this very resistance line, but if you look at it very well, there is also a very strong resistance horizontal line at this area as well. So this resistance horizontal line plus this resistance trend line could possibly hold the market. So we want to see a breakout of this level, which will enhance the market to move back up again. So this is what I am looking out for in the immediate short time on Bitcoin. So right now I am not taking any position on BTC, even though the market moved right up through this area. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, you see that the BTC chart is not moving just like we are seeing movement on Ethereum. Reason being that this correction right there is not always good for Bitcoin. Rather, altcoin will be moving a little bit more better than BTC. That's why we are seeing BTC not moving that much compared to Ethereum and other altcoins. But like I told you in my other video, I am looking for an end of this retracement right here. Once this retracement ends, the market start to move to the upside. That will also signal that BTC is going to move drastically to the upside. So we have seen this over and over again on the Bitcoin dominance in relation to the BTC USD chart that control majority of the market pairs. So this is what I am looking out for right now on Bitcoin. So market may not break this resistance. It may come into this resistance area and then come back right down to retest this very support, or we could see a breakout and a breakout here and market will explode. So a breakout on this very area of horizontal resistance level is the most important, because market can break here and then will not find enough strength to break on this very strong resistance. So what I am looking out for on the long term is market should break this level before we see the market right to the upside. So this is what I am looking out for on Bitcoin. And also remember that we are still in a downtrend. If you look at the one-day chart right here, you discover that we are seeing a downtrend and market has not have full recovery right now on the one-day charts. If you look at the ETH chart right here, if you trade divergence, you discover there is a divergence around this area, very powerful one. That is why we are seeing the pump in the market. You see, if you draw from here to this area and then you draw on the indicator from here to this very area as well, you see divergence right there. And right now we are seeing a pump in the market from this very area to this level. If you take advantage of this, congratulations. Then if you look at it, we are in a channel, or you can call it a rising wedge. You must understand that a rising wedge technically in a downtrend is a bearish continuation pattern. Market can go to the upside and then come back right down for continuation of the bearish move. But it's not always like that in most of the cases. That means market can break here and go right up as well in the case of a rising, which, you know, nothing is certain and 100% in the market. So right now, what I am looking out for after this insane move is the market should move to this area of resistance at this area. Then we could see a possible retracement to the downside before continuation. Now, as market is moving up, if you go to the one-day chart, I find out something very important on one-day chart. I am also seeing a divergence coming in around this area as well. It has not been confirmed, but there is a divergence coming. Let's say market is moving from here to the downside. If you take from here to this area, you see there is a divergence here, which is a bearish divergence from resistance to resistance and resistance to resistance on the overbought condition on the stochastic right at this area. So this is also a sign that there may be a possible turn to the downside on ETH USDT right at this area, but I need to confirm this, and I'm going to do a video on this very particular area in the next coming days. So on the immediate short time, this is what we are seeing right now, and this is what I am looking out for on ETH USD right now, is this very particular move that is in the market at this moment, and this will go right up to this area or even break this level to the upside. But I am also taking a deep look at this very resistance and this very resistance to hold the market, for the market to come back right down. So all of this is what I am looking out for in today's video. As you can see, market is moving right now, and if you look at the BTC dominance, market is going down and Ethereum is gaining more strength, just like we are seeing in BTC chart right at this area. So do you still think that Ethereum is going to do much more better than Bitcoin in the next 3-4 days as the markets continue to explode to the upside, or do you think it's going to stop right at this resistance and then come back right down? Comment below, what do you think about the chart right now? If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. And also, if you've not registered on Binance, $600 on Bybit, check the link in the description and get registered right now. And if you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency Course and Mentorship Program, also check the description. They say contact and reach out to us immediately. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.